Hey there, Mediocre Farmer Steve, coming at you again. Doing a little more chainsawing. So today we got some dead trees. So that one, and then that one, and then another one. So we're going to try to cut down these super huge trees. So don't try this at home. You have to be at least mediocre to cut these trees down. No telling which way they're gonna fall either, because they're super straight up. See? See how straight up they are? Actually, they're leaning pretty good. So I got a pretty good idea where they're gonna fall. We got a couple young apple trees out there we don't want to hit, so I'm gonna try to drop this one to the right side of the smaller tree, and then this one, we'll see if we can drop it between the two trees. So leave down in the comments whether you think it's going to work. All right.